Hi, I'm Kyle Johnson, Mott's Manager of Aerospace Innovations. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Mott's porous metal flow restrictors in satellite propulsion systems. For spacecraft in orbit, precision is everything. Now, that's where Mott's porous metal flow restrictors come in. These tiny components, made from sintered stainless steel or titanium, control the flow of propellant gas with incredible accuracy and reliability. In electric thrusters, especially those using xenon, argon, or krypton, these restrictors regulate how much gas reaches the engine. Their porous structure allows gas to pass through at a steady, calibrated flow rate, even under extreme conditions. That's essential for microthrust maneuvers like docking, station keeping, and orbital adjustments. What makes Mott's porous metal flow restrictors so valuable is their reliability. No moving parts means no wear and tear, just continuous precision. Thousands of microscopic pores mean laminar flow and no clogging. Satellites equipped with our flow restrictors can operate for years without maintenance. Mott's porous metal restrictors offer precision, reliability, and compatibility with extreme environments, making them an indispensable component for mission-critical aerospace applications. Visit us at mottcorp.com to learn more.